Alrighty, y'all. We've got just about all of our ingredients here into our bowl. Now down below, I'm working with some Honey Nut Cheerios, chocolate Cheerios, and some Honey Nut Chex cereal. We've also got some miniature marshmallows in the mix there, some pretzels. Up top here, we're adding some jet puffed marshmallow cream. I am just oozing this out of here. Now they tell you not to microwave it in the jar, but I am guilty. I have done that on occasion. We've got one vanilla almond bark. We've got some semi-sweet chocolate morsels, dark chocolate morsels, as well as 4 sticks of butter and some peanut butter. Yum! All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this whole bowl into my microwave and get it melted. Alrighty, now that we've got everything melted up here, it's time to combine. We're just gonna mix everything in here with our large amount of melted chocolate and goodies. We've, of course, like I said, got those Honey Nut Cheerios in here, chocolate Cheerios. We've got our Honey Nut Chex, a little bit of mini marshmallows, and our pretzel little quarters there, whatever those are called, what they look like. You could use any combination of cereals, of pretzels, of yummy, yummy goodies. And we are gonna make this really fun and seasonal today. We're gonna be adding some yummy, yummy stuff to this. But first, we just wanna get everything nice and coated and combined here in our tub. Beautiful. Coming in with 2 boxes of our Ghirardelli brownie mix. We're just going to sprinkle this all on top here. This does have little chocolate chips in it. Beautiful. And I'm gonna add in a little bit of powdered sugar. And you might be able to tell where we're going with this now. Alrighty. I am putting my lid on top of my box here. I just wanna get this as secure as I can. Oop, I gotta move it back a little bit. There we go. And now we're just gonna start the fun part. Shake, 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 shake. Look at all that goodness shaking up in there and getting coated in our brownie powder and powdered sugar. Alrighty, everyone, moment of truth. Look how good that looks. Now, I did say we wanted to make this festive for the holiday, so we're gonna go ahead and add some fun fall Halloween treats in on here. Some candied corn. I'm gonna put some more mini marshmallows just so they give it a little bit of color. I've got some fun Halloween M&Ms. Look at how awesome those are. Perfect. Some Halloween sprinkles. Pretty. I love that it's bringing that purple in. One of my favorite colors. And I've got some spooky, scary monster eyes. Look at those. Isn't that so fun? The kids are going to love this. The only thing left to do is grab myself a beautiful portion of this. Y'all, this looks so good. This is perfect for trick-or-treaters or trunk-or-treaters. Wow, this is so good, y'all. You definitely gotta try it.